Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate income online, and Fezamarket is a great platform for affiliates in 2025. Here's how you can earn $75,000 or more. Start by signing up for the Fezamarket affiliate program at www.fezamarket.com. It's free, and you'll get access to high commissions and analytics. You'll gain access to high commissions, a variety of trending products, and performance analytics to track your success. Next, pick a profitable niche that aligns with your interests. Consider tech gadgets, home decor, beauty products, or fitness gear. Establish platforms to promote products, set up a blog or website, create YouTube videos, use social media, and build an email list. Create high-quality content that captures attention. Focus on product reviews, how-to guides, social proof, and engaging videos. To drive traffic to your affiliate links, optimize your content for SEO, run paid ads, collaborate with influencers, and engage on social media. Once you gain traction, optimize your efforts by tracking performance, refining your strategy, increasing ad spend, and outsourcing as needed. Join the Fezamarket affiliate program today and start following this blueprint to achieve your $75,000 goal.